Okay, my dear kiddos, today we'll revise letter E and letter F. Sound of letter E and sound of letter F. Recognition of letter E and recognition of letter F. Okay? Okay, my dear kiddos. Now, yes, which letter is this? This is letter E. This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. Very good. And what's the sound of letter E? Eh. What's the sound of letter E? Eh. Okay. So which letter is this? This is letter E. E says eh. 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 Elephant. E says eh. Elephant. Look at this elephant. Wow. E says elephant. Good. Now ma'am will show the next letter. Yes. Now this is letter. This is fast. F. Very good. Which letter is this? This is letter F. Loudly speak after ma'am. Loudly. This is letter F. Very good. And what's the sound of letter F? Fa. What's the sound of letter F? Fa. What's the sound of letter F? Loudly. Fa. F says fa. 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 Fish. Look at this fish. Wow. F says fa. 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 Fish. F says fa. 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 Fish. Okay, kids. So, kids, now look here. What is this? This is elephant. What is this? This is elephant. Okay. E says elephant. E says elephant. Very good. Now, kids, this say ooh. Wow. Now, which letter? F says fa. Fa, fish. F says fa. Fa,